Hi, this is a quick look at my new ukulele. It's a Jupiter ukulele tenor, built by Jonathan Dale of Jupiter Ukulele. This is tenor number 77. It has a Watertank Redwood top, Pennsylvania Sycamore back and sides. This is a Dogwood root burl headplate. The neck and bridge is Brazilian Ebony. It's got a nice sound port on the side. Black bog oak binding on the top and bottom of the edges. Black, white purfling, the little fine details along the edges here. And all in all, it's a great little ukulele, beautifully built and extremely, I think, reasonably priced for the value. I think it's a great ukulele and I'm really enjoying it. So I'm going to give you a little sound sample now.